Why does dishwasher detergent hardly foam at all? Is this a design flaw or a hidden genius? The answer is simple. Foam is the enemy of the dishwasher. If the machine's powerful water jets are blocked by foam, the water cannot reach anywhere and the dishes remain dirty. So how does it clean without foaming? It has two secret weapons. One, surfactants. These are like mini magnets that break down greasy dirt and wash it away with water. They don't need to foam. Two, enzymes. These are smart little monsters that eat sticky food residues, eggs, starch at the molecular level. They also work silently. When you see that the dishwasher detergent isn't foaming, rest assured. This is not a flaw, but an engineering triumph. Instead of foaming, it's doing its real job by breaking down the grime. Don't forget to subscribe to solve other mysteries in your daily life.